Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to get Cash App virtual card. To get your Cash App virtual card, this is very important, and here I mentioned the steps that you need to follow. Just open your Cash App, log in into this, and you will be inside your Cash App. Now tap on the Cash Card icon, which will be located at the bottom of the screen. If you don't have already a physical card, select the option to get Cash Card. Now they will ask you some kind of details, for example how you want to customize it, what number should be there, and everything, your name and every details, right? Now once you receive your physical card, it will take around 10 business days, so you have to wait around 2 weeks. Once you have requested the card, you may access your virtual card details immediately. So it's not like that you need to wait for 10 days to use your card. The virtual card will automatically in your account, so you can use it virtually, right? Just for physical car it takes around 10 days. So this is how you can do it, and this is really easy. If you have any issue, you can always contact the support team, and they will help you instantly. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.